Topspeed version 2 installation in a Ford Ranger Raptor. Once you get your box, you have your controller. Plus inside the box, you will have your chip plus a manual. Okay, so that's how it looks. And we will teach you how to install it in this Ford Ranger Raptor. Same process with all other vehicles. So just need to make sure that you untangle and install it now at the back of your engine. Sorry, at the back of your throttle pedal, I mean. Make sure that your engine is off when installing your Topspeed device to avoid any errors. Again, number 1 rule, dapat naka-off yung engine bago i-install yung Topspeed. Okay, so naayos na ng ating installer and idikit or i-attach natin siya or install sa ating throttle socket that can be found at the back of your pedal. Okay, doon for halos same lang ng sockets or the placement of the sockets for all other vehicles. Just do a Y connect or iba-bypass lang natin siya. Make sure that it's securely fit and that you can hear the clicking sound to make sure na it's fit and secured and it's not loose. Okay, so Topspeed does not void your warranty because it's just plug and play. So there's no splicing or wiring, cutting, and that's how quick and easy it is. Okay, so we've already installed it. And at the end of the wire, you connect it to the controller. So the controller is here and just attach it there. So once it's already attached, and since the accessories of this vehicle is on, then the Topspeed controller is on as well. So after that, you can download the Play Store or the app in your Play Store or App Store, I mean. So let's download it using this other phone. Just go to Play Store, then search for Topspeed V2. How will you know if it's V2? There's a certain V2 at the bottom. So click on Topspeed V2, then click on, oh sorry, I've already installed it earlier. So once you install it, click allow all the time, then click allow, then that's it. So you've already installed it. Next is for you to connect your phone to your Topspeed device via Bluetooth. So we just need to click on device and scan the barcode. Oh sorry, let me see, scan the barcode. So if I click on scan the barcode, click on allow, and you will see this screen and it's ready scanned. Then click on connect. Once you click on connect, please bind the device before connecting. So let's do it again. Click sorry, let me go to home, then click on Bluetooth. So the Bluetooth icon should be on first. So earlier for this phone, it was turned off, so there was an error. But make sure that the icon is on and it's green. It means to say that the Bluetooth is on. So click on connect now. So if I click on connect, it's already connected. How will I know it's connected? If I move in the modes, your Topspeed controller modes is moving as well. So you can also move the intensity here. You can see the controller is also moving. And just to make sure that there are no other issues or it has the latest software, just click on up version here. So if you cannot click the up version, it means to say that there's no firmware that needs to be updated. This is already the updated version. If ever that you see that there's an up version, make sure that the engine is off when you're doing the upgrade, else you will have problems or errors. So number 1, so again, make sure that the engine is off. And if ever you go to the setting and click on up version, make sure that the engine is off or ang makina ay naka-off. Kasi kapag in-upgrade niyo yung version at naka-on siya, you will have an error message. So far, if you can click on up version here, nothing's happening. So it means to say that it's already the updated version. Okay, so let's now turn on the engine. So when we turn on the engine now, the controller is on. Then if I'm gonna use my phone, it's also moving. So you can see that it's fully working. Okay, so that's how quick and easy it is to install your Topspeed controller or Topspeed device. You can place this controller anywhere that you like. It has adhesive at the back, and you can just place it anywhere. So usually we place it here, and then you just need to hide the wires or at the sides, whatever that's convenient for you. Hello everyone, so we're doing a test drive for Topspeed in a Ford Ranger Raptor, and so I'm using the phone here. So I'm in AI mode, and once you're in AI mode, it automatically adapts to the behavior of the driver. So if you want super fast, it goes super fast. If you want to go slow, then it automatically goes slow. But one of my favorite settings is top speed. So I'm in 9. So the Ford Ranger Raptor is already a powerful vehicle, but with top speed, it gives you more power, more speed, and I can go from point A to point B in just a split second. So that's really how awesome it is once you have top speed. This is for aggressive driving. You can also change the intensity here, or you can also use your controller. So for this demo, I did not attach the controller to the dashboard. I prefer that it's loose, but you can attach it using this adhesive if you prefer to have it here or anywhere that you like. So currently I'm in top speed mode, so let me show you how it is. So that's how smooth it is, moving from point A to point B without any delays or lag. So usually, the Tagalog term, if you want to go hatak, or if gusto mong umarangkada ng masabilis at walang delay or lag, you go for Topspeed version 2, the most advanced shuttle controller in the market. Aside from Topspeed mode, you can also have other settings like Sports Plus, Anti-lag, then Eco Speed for lesser fuel consumption. You can have off-road, drag racers, and if you want to limit the speed, you have Valet mode and Student Assist. This is for reducing or limiting the speed, especially for when you have valet parkers or student drivers, to avoid sudden accidents. So one of the best feature is the anti-theft. So I know that your car's already equipped with security system, but an additional security system will be this anti-theft feature, because if you turn on the car lock with this slider, then leave your vehicle, then the accelerator pedal will be deactivated. Okay, so we would really love for you to test it out. You can go to our office, and once you go to our office, you can have free test drive, no commitments. Just go to our office, bring your vehicle, schedule an appointment, then we can install Topspeed for you, and you get to try it out for free and demo your own vehicle, so you can test and feel it with or without Topspeed. But we guarantee you, Topspeed really does a lot of changes to your vehicle, and you can get from point A to point B without delays or lags when accelerating, because it gives you the best throttle response to your regular or ordinary cars. So even the supercars like Mustangs and any other high-end cars, they choose Topspeed because the powerful car or the supercars can transform to a much more super powerful car with the help of Topspeed. Okay, so just go to Topspeed Philippines. We are located at 117 William Shaw Street, Gracepark, Caloocan. And let me show you our office so you can see it. This is our office. You can search it in ways. You can search Topspeed Philippines, or you can search Top Up Philippines. Okay, so thank you for your time, guys.